Okay, listen to this, young sister. Should you take back a cheater? What do you guys think? I know it's easier. How many of you guys have ever taken back a cheater? You take back a cheater because she took you back.
Two things happen when you take back a cheater. One, you rob yourself of the opportunity to validate your worth. You deserve better than that. You deserve somebody who can be as loyal as you. So when you taking them back, you subconsciously diminish your worth. The message that you send to yourself is, I am not worthy of someone who will be faithful to me. Two, you rob the cheater of a big life lesson. They were supposed to learn that you need to take care of and cherish the things that you value. So now you have a cheater who thinks, although I love you, I can treat you however I want to treat you, and you're going to take me back.
Very important what she said, man. Very important. She says that when you take back a cheater, you rob them of a very important life lesson. How do you value yourself if you take back a cheater? Now, again, there's a lot of red tape. There may be kids involved. If you're fortunate, you made a mistake and you were taken, somebody gave you back another second chance and you still love this person, you want to do some shit. You were fortunate to have a second chance. You got to know what comes with it. We already talked about that. You still love her, you want to be with her, and she's allowed you a second chance. You're gonna know that there's gonna be some payback. Okay, there's gonna be some payback. Can you handle that? If you can handle that, cool. But it'll never be the same. Everybody deserves a second chance. I've had second chances before. I've even given some people second chances that didn't even deserve it. Again, when you're younger, you tend to give people chances because maybe you felt guilty. You felt your karma paid you back. Niggas had to remind me, like, nah, you're not supposed to reward unloyalty. I said, yeah, you're right. I forgot about that. It don't matter about karma, okay? I believe in God, I believe in the universe and all that shit. And when you do good, you get good. But whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen, bro. This is why the good die young. This is why the bad get rewarded. It's not about karma. It's about how you move in your life, bro. So if you cheated on somebody and you remorseful, and you made a mistake, you learn from it, and you can rebuild your relationship, more power to you. But if you know your worth and you worked really, really hard and somebody cheats on you, should you take them back? I'm to the point right now where it's like, nah, you're out of there.
And that's what I deserve. And you've taught yourself that you're not really worth as much as you say that you are. You're worth what you have, which is a cheater. Learn to love yourself enough to walk away and love that other person enough to not rob them of a valuable life lesson. There's no growth without discipline, and walking away from a cheater is discipline.
Mm.
People that take back cheaters, like, what are you doing, huh? I had a friend just the other day. He took back his girl of 4 years after she cheated on him. And I'm like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, well, dude, I love her. I'm like, bro, but do you love yourself? Like, bruh, once a cheater, always a cheater. Do you love yourself?
That's what I'm talking about. Okay? Do you love yourself? Can you walk away? Are you man enough? Are you mature enough to find the truth that you suspect? Can you handle the truth, man? Don't ask questions you're not ready for the answer for. That takes a lot of growth, bro. I ran away at 17. I ain't have no guidance, man. I wasted a lot of time. I told you guys this. Okay? A lot of expensive lessons, a lot of wasted time that I'm still paying for trying to recoup at 50. If you're younger than me, don't waste no time, B. Okay? Take your time in selecting a woman that you call your lady. Take your time that a woman that you decide to make your baby moms or your wife. Even if you vet her properly and you got game, you could still get cheated on. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, you know that if you took the time out to vet somebody, you're going to play your role. And if she does do something goofy, you let her go. You'll be more comfortable in letting somebody go when you knew that you were the man that you were supposed to be during the relationship.
Right? Okay? Because if she cheats on you one time, she's going to cheat on your ass again, and then you're going to go through that pain again. So what's the point? Leave her alone. It's over with. She obviously didn't love you, so why try to keep loving her? I don't get y'all.
William Aikman Spence. Facts. Whenever I confronted my wife after she cheated, she said she just wanted to be a whore. I divorced her and let her go. I knew she was delusional. Now I am a better man. I'm sorry it turned out that way, but at least you learn from it, my nigga. There's not much that we can do. It is what it is. Okay? It is what it is. All women are the same. Okay? Your moms, your sisters, your daughters. It takes the right man to keep them on the straight and narrow, but the way that they're wired, especially nowadays, Jesus Christ, they're incentivized to be whores. They're incentivized because things are so easy for them because of the way the system is. If you're a man, you're supposed to not pay attention to shit like that. Even the good girls are incentivized to do things like that. So if you're the man in the relationship, you have to incentivize her to walk the straight and narrow. How do you do that, AV? You become a better version of yourself. You realize that she can walk or she can stay. The door's open. Okay. How many of you guys have dogs? How many of you guys walk your dogs off the leash? You ever see guys walk their dogs off the leash? And the bitch ain't going nowhere. When a woman knows that she can be replaced, when a woman knows that you're not binding her, keeping her there hostage because you scared, you got one-nitis, she's going to walk properly, bro. Okay?
Nowadays, look, I hate it for you females who fight so hard to be with a cheating dude or a dog ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hate it for y'all because y'all fight so hard, and at the end of the day, y'all are the fools. Like, he's not the fool because he's doing what he would rather be doing. Like, he's showing you what he want to do. But instead, you hollering on the internet, oh, why y'all sleeping with a man who got a girl? Why y'all doing this? You fighting this girl. You arguing with this girl on the internet. You sneaking up on this girl page. You making fake pages to keep up with the baby mama. You doing all this instead of looking in the mirror asking myself, why do I want to be with a man who would rather sleep with all these women? Because if you sit back and you look and you listen and you watch, you going to get the answers that you really need, whether you like them or you not, or you don't. You're going to get the answers. And the answers may hurt. It may hurt you. But at the end of the day, you sitting here laid up, miserable, stalking.
Okay.
Nowadays.
Okay? What she said. Trust your eyes, not your ears. Trust your eyes, not your ears. That comes with wisdom. That comes with a lot of war stories, being in battle, getting your heart broken, catching people, learning how to practice discipline, paying attention to the signs. Once you start to master trusting your eyes, not your ears, then you get to a point where you start listening to your eyes. This young lady said that to watch what's going on. Okay? Keep your eyes on the prize, but your peripherals don't miss nothing.
The reason why you can't take back a cheating female is because once she shows you that she's capable of stabbing you in the back, betraying you, you have to see her for who she is now. Those are her true colors. A lot of men, they take women like that back and they lie to themselves. But you know deep down inside, you sleeping next to the enemy every fucking night. You know what the fuck she's capable of. She's literally shown you, bro, what the fuck she's about. Unfortunately, a lot of men take women like that back and ultimately marry women like that. That's just fucking ridiculous. Getting married to a woman that cheated on you or betrayed you in any kind of way is kind of like going into business with a bad business partner.
Take your time. Take your time, bro. It's time for us to stop compromising as men. It's time to stop compromising as men. What are we supposed to do if somebody betrays you? What are we supposed to do if somebody breaks your heart? They turn their kids against you. They divorce you. They ostracize you, the family member that once loved you. Your business partners, you don't have any friends anymore because all your friends were contingent on you doing things for them. Now you're on your ass. You lose your job. You got to start from square one. What do you do when you find out the person that you love cheats on you?
Possible way you can get revenge. I know you're gonna stay for this one. Getting revenge makes you feel like you're finally taking back power and control for yourself. There's just one damning detail that you're forgetting, and it may make you change the way you look at yourself. To try and take back power automatically implies that you lost it in the first place. If someone lies to you or cheats on you, you can't help but feel stupid. But you shouldn't, because they gave you no reason to mistrust them. You can't read minds, so the best way you can get revenge is number one, don't give them the reaction they're expecting. Like if they're yelling at you, don't yell back. If they cheat on you, lie to you, or disrespect you, simply remove their access to you. Notice how none of these things are attacks on the person, but these are things that you do for you. And this silent method preserves your power, but it cuts the deepest. Not only does it move you into alignment with your higher self, it's, well,
It's time to stop compromising, fellas. If a woman doesn't respect your presence, what does she have to respect? Your absence. Okay? The best revenge is to show them that they ain't stop shit. You went harder now. She did you a favor. She's not taking up your time. She's not distracting you. You're going harder now. You're going harder in the gym. You're going harder on your side hustles. You're eating better. You're saving money. You about to flex on everybody. If a woman doesn't want to be with you, you let her go. If the guys that you like or you think that like you don't want to fuck with you anymore, you let them go. Stop compromising who you are because everybody's scared and understands your potential. A hater's silence is loud, bro. You're going to get more love from strangers than the people that you claim love you. Fuck all that shit, man. Make sure y'all check out my book, Masculine Compromise, The Journey of Emasculation to Your Emancipation. Available on Amazon.com. If you enjoyed the show, Cash App Alpha Villains or send in a super chat. Make sure y'all like the video, share the video. I'll see y'all next time. Okay?